Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will enter here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.